clout. They do anything for clout.
So we're gonna go ahead and just start off with our eyebrows by using this Morphe eyebrow cream. And first I'm just gonna kind of brush my eyebrows up, and then I'm gonna start lining and filling them in neatly. And you guys can use any type of eyebrow cream you prefer, or even if you just still use the eyebrow pencil, you can do that as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start defining and drawing on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with this Juvias Place concealer, and I'm just going to put that right underneath my eyebrows to start basically outlining my eyebrows so they look more defined. So now I'm going to go ahead and just take this dense brush and just blend in the concealer so that it just blends in really well with my skin. And you can use any brush as long as it's like a little bit thick but very dense, so that the bristles can actually blend with your skin when blending in the foundation, or I'm sorry, blending in the concealer. Now we're going to take the P.louise Base primer for my eyes to go ahead and start prepping the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put a bit on there and then just start using this brush to just blend in the primer. So we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that color Punky. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, you guys, but you're going to go ahead and put it on the little outside above the crease and just start blending that color right in. So then the next colors we're going to end up using is Hunts and Jays. And we're just first going to start by blending the Hunts color first right above the crease. Okay, now we're going in with that Jays color. I'll sing it louder now. We're going to take the two colors Sissy and Faint and start putting those on where we cut the crease. First, you're going to start off with the Sissy eyeshadow first. Okay, you guys, so I actually went ahead and did the lashes off camera. I'm trying these lashes out. No, they were not sent to me. I actually bought them just to give them a try. And I actually like how these look with this glam look. Like, I like how these lashes, like, I like these lashes. Anyway, these lashes are the AOA Studio Premium lashes, and I believe they're in the style called Jessica. If you guys see that. So yeah, like I said, I'm just giving these a try. I've never tried them before, and I did buy them myself. They were not sent to me, but yeah, I like these, you guys. And if you guys do like these, I'll go ahead and put these lashes in the description box below with all the other products that I'll be using. So we're just gonna get back to this look, and we're gonna go ahead and do the foundation, base, contour, and all that good stuff. So the primer that I'm going to be using for this look is the Estée Lauder primer. This is my first time using this primer. And so I just want to see how this primer is going to be with my face when putting on the foundation. So I just want to give this a try. It's a more top quality brand primer compared to what I usually use. So I'm just giving this one a shot. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Juvias Place foundation sticks. I honestly love these foundation sticks. Like, they match my skin like perfectly. Like, I love them.
I'll sing it louder, 'cause I'm empowered. I'll sing it louder now.
After that, then you just want to use a beauty blender or any blending brush to just blend the foundation in. And then we're going to start going in with our concealer by Juvias Place. And we're going to start basically contouring our face with that.
I'll sing it louder, 'cause I'm empowered. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it, I'll sing it, I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it louder.
I'm going to use the Mercier setting powder. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but we're going to go ahead and now just set our makeup. Now we're going to go ahead and use this Tarte blush and go ahead and put that on our cheeks.
I'll sing it louder now.
Now we're going to go ahead and use this highlight. I forgot who it's by, but it's in the color Penny. I'll make sure to put this in the description box below. Now we're going to go ahead and use this Smashbox setting spray and just spray that all over our face so we can set the makeup. Now I'm going to use the Crayon Case lip gloss in the color Pecan, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right on my lips. Then I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite lip gloss, Lancome Juicy tubes in the color Shimmer. Like, I have maybe like 5 or 6 tubes of this lip gloss. Like, I love this lip gloss, but you can use any lip gloss, and that's just going to go right on top of the other lip gloss. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I love how this soft glam look came out. It's just perfect. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and just stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos. Bye, you guys.